Hi everyone! Thank you so much for joining us today. You have joined us on MomNMeBeauty. Today I'm going to show you one of my go-to tricks for keeping my manicure looking as great as possible. If you have the same type of problem that I do, I wash my hands a lot because I'm a nurse and it's just normal wear and tear on my nails. If you have that same problem, you're going to find that your nail polish chips before it even dries on your fingernails. It just will not stay. So I have an at-home manicure routine that I would like to share with you. If you are interested in this video, make sure you give us a big thumbs up down below. And also, if you're new, consider subscribing by hitting that subscribe button and the little bell that is right next to it so you're notified every time we upload a new video. Before I show you my at-home go-to manicure routine, I do want to say thank you so very much for all of the support you have showed both myself and Emma over this time. My mom did pass away about a week and a half ago now, 2 weeks once you watch this video. And your love and your support really has helped us get through this time a little bit easier. So I don't want to go too much into detail, but I did want to say thank you. I got to thinking about my job and my lifestyle and things that are important to me. I have a job that requires me to wash my hands a lot, requires me to keep moving. I don't really get to sit down at a desk. It's a go, go, go job. And when I'm off work, I have a lot of errands to run. I have a family to take care of. So I wanted to start a new series where I show you my tips and tricks, things that I go to accommodate that lifestyle that I have. And hopefully they will be tips and tricks that you can use as well. So let's get started.
This is a DIY home gel manicure. So the gel light that I'm going to be using is the SensatioNail Pro 3060 gel dryer, and what I love about this is that it's got a USB charging cord, so it's not your typical cord. You can take it anywhere, move it anywhere, and plug it in and go. Each one of these products is essential to this manicure lasting for a long time. So the first product after you get your nail dryer is the Red Carpet Purify Cleansing Liquid. And you really need something that's as lint free as possible. So I use just your standard napkin, pour a little bit onto the napkin, and then you wipe your nails clean. Let it air dry, it shouldn't take too long. This is another important step to the longevity of the manicure. You need a dehydrator, a nail dehydrator. You can get these on Amazon, which is where I got this one. This is by Ibd. You just paint it on your nails, and as soon as you go on to the next nail, the rest of your nails are pretty much dry, so it really has no dry time. Then we're moving on to the Red Carpet Prep. This really gives an adherence or like a gluiness to your nail polish and your base coat. Very important step. Again, you're going to just paint this on and it has virtually no dry time. Next, we're moving on to the Red Carpet Structure base coat. Now this is going to have to be cured underneath the lamp that we're using. If you can see here, I really wiped off as much of it as possible. The key to a really good home manicure is to do multiple thin layers. So I wipe off as much of the excess product as I can and then take some of that like a droplet on the tip of the brush and paint it on as few strokes as possible. I do all the rest of my nails and then I cure it underneath the light. Sorry, I normally don't do manicures on top of this fancy white fabric, but in any case, you set your nails underneath the light and let them cure. And you can see here it blinks about halfway through. The cycle for this light is 30 seconds. So at around the 15-second mark, it will blink just to let you know it's halfway through. When it's done, the light turns off, you take your nails out and you move on to the next step. I'm using the Pure Ice nail polish I have a Confection. If you haven't heard already, do not shake your nail polishes to mix them up. You must run them between your hands or rub them between your hands as I did here. Then again, thin coats of nail polish over all your nails. The thinner, the better. And if you have to do 2, 3, 4 coats of your nail polish to get the opacity that you want, then so be it. Also, key thing to keep in mind is to make sure that each layer dries thoroughly in between. So you do your first layer, let it thoroughly, totally, completely dry as I did here, and then go in with your next coat. For this nail polish, I did do 2 coats just because I wanted a little bit more opacity on the nail polish. Thin layers, as few strokes as possible, and I speed it up here for you so that you don't have to wait and watch me do all of my nails. A total manicure for me at home takes me about an hour to do all my nails. Not too bad. Then I go on with the OPI nail lacquer in make light of the situation. I don't think it's made by OPI anymore. At least I couldn't find it on the website. Again, shake it between your hands. I'm sorry, not shake it. Rub it between your hands. Do not shake it whatsoever. I did a very, very thin coat just to give it a little bit extra sparkle. I do like my sparkle and my glitter. And while I'm waiting for it to dry, I just wanted to show you, this is one of the e.l.f. detail brushes, and if I have a smudge or something, I use this detail brush just to wipe it off before I move on to my next step. Another key ingredient to this DIY home manicure is the SensatioNail Polish to Gel. Now this is in a square bottle, so you can't rub it between your hands to mix it up. I do like to just shake it around in a circular motion. And again, you can see here I'm wiping off all the excess product and only picking up a droplet of the product onto the tip of the brush. Thin coats and as few strokes as possible. You do all of your nails with this product, and don't forget to cap off the tip of your nails. This also will help to add to the longevity of your manicure. Once you have all your nails done, you're going to put it underneath your gel dryer light, your LED light, for a full cycle, so it's 30 seconds. You can add on another layer of this product if you'd like, which is what I did. I did a second layer of the top coat. Now, in the directions that come with this product, it does say that you can mix it in with your regular nail polishes instead of using it as a top coat, but I prefer the top coat method. And remember that red carpet purify that we used at the beginning of our manicure? Well, we now have to use it at the end of our manicure as well. So you're just going to dump a little bit of this onto a napkin, paper towel, and rub it over your fingernails, and voila, that is your DIY gel home manicure. Mine will last me about a week without any chips or scratches or just wearing off. I absolutely love it.
And that is it for my at-home DIY go-to manicure. For those of us who have busy lives and need to make sure that our manicure stays in place. I hope that you really enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up down below, and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and the little bell that is right next to it so you're notified every time we upload a new video. We do post 2 beauty videos a week. On Mondays is Mom and Me Day, and on Thursdays is either Teen Take with my daughter Emma or MomNMeBeauty with me. Don't forget to connect with us on Instagram under MomNMeBeauty and with Emma under Emma_N_2004. Thank you again so very much for watching, and we'll see you in our next Mom and Me video.